I'm Nick Magistrelli, Vice President of Sales at Rademaker USA. This September, the baking industry gathers once again for the very important IBIE show. If you are in town for this event, please stop by our Rademaker booth, number 3445, and you'll get a front row seat to see our latest innovations in pizza, bread, and pastry production. We are also going to debut our brand new pizza topping line, as well as our Radini artisan bread line, both of which are going to knock it out of the park. The tradition continues at the Rademaker IBIE show with our amazing product display, showcasing all of the products that can be made on a Rademaker line worldwide. Our sales and our engineering team will be on location answering any questions that you may have. And last but not least, the Dutch Boulangerie team, along with our master test bakers, will be on site entertaining the crowd. Look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas. Thank you.